Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Happy Bringling. We are once again live on Bringle Academy Facebook channel. And today we are going to talk about something really exciting. And I have with me Sharmila Devatia, who is the co-founder of Bringle. And what she's going to talk about on Hi Sharmila. And she's going to talk about more about the new concept called Restart Your Career. And we are working towards right now to reach out to maximum number of people so that we can transform 1 billion lives, 1 million businesses and 100 unicorns. And with this we have started working with Vardhan as is where Sharmila is also managing director. And what we are doing that what that kind of another aspect we are bringing in into this specific challenge which we are going to bring in today. And we are going to talk about more about it, that how you can generate your royalty income without leaving your job. If you are working, if you're a corporate employee, if you're working somewhere, you're doing your business, but you have some expertise which you can leverage it for the people, for by which you would like to create some books or some ebooks, some e-learning programs or webinars, or maybe eventually to some live programs or live classes. There are various other aspects by which you can generate your royalty income. So we are going to talk about that today, and how is that going to be benefited. Now, who is this? The entire program is going to be. It could be anybody who is a trainer, mentor, coach, consultant, speaker, influencer, affiliate marketer, whoever is there in this industry, whatever they have that unique strength in any area of their, in any area of the lifespan of the education. If you are having that expertise by which you can transform somebody's life in any way, we are looking for you. If you are working in a corporate job, we will work with you to find out opportunities where you can still contribute towards this mega initiative, and without leaving your job. And this will not only give legacy back to your yourself, children, as well as a future generation, but you will leave your pearls of wisdom to the society. You'll be able to contribute it back to the society. Now, whether you are a experienced person who is like 50 years plus, 60 years plus, or any age, and you want to share your knowledge and experience with the people, this is the time wherein you don't have to spend too much of time onto that. It's only a one-time effort you need to put in. And with our collaborated platform, you will be able to reach out to the masses, and we'll work with each of you to how to set that up, in terms of promote that up in a very minimal time, so that more and more people can come in. And how can you find out the right people who will be joining in over there. So this initiative is going to be focused more on creating an awareness or education system by which we can reach out to the masses, and anybody and everybody can take a benefit of this. As I said, if you're a trainer, mentor, coach, consultant, or if you're working somewhere, you're doing your business, but you should have one expertise with you which you want to deliver it on that. Now, before I move forward, I think I would like to request Sharmila to talk about her journey a little bit, how it has been work for herself, and what is her life story because of which she started working on this concept called Restart Your Career. Over to you, Sharmila, and thank you so much for being there on Bringle Academy show today.
Thank you, Aisha, and hello everyone. Uh, well, my story is that at a very young age, a little over 5 years, I got encephalitis, a brain viral fever, due to which I have cerebral palsy. And it's been 50 years now that I am handling my uh, after the effects of the disease. My life has been very good comparatively. I've had the best of education. I've had the best of careers in IT. 30 years as a corporate honcho, and 3 years now as an entrepreneur. So, uh, yes, I do have problems. I have a spastic hand, I have a speech problem, and they are not going to go away. But that does not mean that my life is at a standstill. And this is exactly what I want to propagate, that a problem is there with everyone. No one is away from issues. But that does not mean that your life comes to a standstill. Learn to handle the problem and learn to live your life fully. So, there, I would want to contribute to uh, this knowledge and this exact uh, thought should go out to the world. And I would want to start uh, with this. Restart your career is exactly that. Don't stop. Don't put yourself in a corner. Come out, take take initiative and start with your career, with your work. It does not have any uh, problem. Yes, it's everything in the mind. So come out, talk to us. We are here to help you, and we will take enough effort to put out this program in shape for you to jump start your career, your life.
Very good. Thank you so much, Sharmila. And I think, this, what it tells is that there is no gender, there is no age, there is no location constraints with this digital technology, the way it is coming up. While people think that, there are a lot of problems which are coming in terms of the physical, now the online trainings and the online mode, but it is actually a blessings in disguise. In fact, there is a study going, by KPMG, wherein people are now, even in the tier 2, tier 3 cities, they're more comfortable with self-paced learning. And they want the studies, the education, the training should be done along with their flow of work. Nobody would like to come out of their day-to-day routine, get trained, and then, kind of go back into that and try to implement that. What they need is that exactly at the time of learning, at the time of work, they should be able to learn. So if they're working on something and they need something, they should be able to retrieve that information at exactly at the right moment. And it should be very, crisp and clear onto that for the particular problem which they are looking at. So that is going to be very, very important. And this is the statistics which is happening right now, that each of the, 94% of the corporates, this is as per the Deloitte report, are now looking at reskilling their entire workforce in the next 3 years. And this is going to be a massive industry. Not only that, in each individual is now trying to find out new ways to learn. And in that, how does the technology becomes a very integral part of it? And why it is, while it is an integral part of it, it is probably the last segment which needs to be there. And that is where what when we were working with 24,000 plus experts who are spread across 50 plus countries today, and having that community of 1 million plus learners, in 140 plus countries, what I had realized is that the biggest challenge which they face is to kickstart it, to how to start. It is not the technology which is their problem. It is the problem is that where do they start? What are the programs they should be running? What are the what is their target audience? How do they promote themselves? How do they get benefited? How do they reach out to the right target audience? How do they create their blue ocean strategy in this field of competition? And of course, the people who are already working, they don't have time, so the time constraints are always been there. So these are the various things which I have seen. We have been looking at it, Sharmila, for a very long period of time. And sometimes we feel that we require massive amount of time, probably 8 hours, 10 hours, 6 hours in a day to set up these kind of royalty based income models. But believe me, in terms of the way we are going to explain this out in the next 30 to 45 minutes, it will become so easy for people that they can actually kickstart their programs in just 5 days, or I would say 5 hours. And these 5 hours of work can actually make sure that they will be able to kickstart their programs. They'll be able to ready to launch their programs, promote their programs, and even use the technology platform which are not free, which are actually free, which are actually, there is no expense required, there's no big learning is required. Once you want to scale up that model, then only you will require such kind of technology platform. But till then, you probably don't need that, but you can still contribute to the society, you can still create a legacy for you. So with this, I would like to just talk about this scenario with all of you, and I'll share one of my story with all of you, that why we have started this initiative and how does it work. And with your permission, I would like to introduce myself as well a little bit on this. So myself, Anshav Jain, I'm founder of Bringle Excellence Limited. It's a company which is established in UK and India. Uh, we had been into the learning industry space for the last 5 years now. When we started the live webinars way back in 2015, and now we are running a complete blended learning platform. This is what my overall experience had been, wherein we have transformed a 20 plus centers in a particular location of Mumbai with 30,000 plus students to a 1 million plus learners community today in just 2 years time. And this is the transformation which we have gotten because of the technology, because of the way of working, because of identifying our core competence. And this is where we have now started dividing that into 8 different competencies, and wherein we are onboarding various experts who would be able to support these segments, be it school children, college students, corporate professionals, trainers and mentors, your housewife, the women's segment specifically, the person with disabilities, the college dropouts, or even entrepreneurs. So this is how the entire segment is covering. Professionally, I have done my Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt certification and a PMP certified professional. Uh, I've been working with corporates having 18 plus years of experience in business process engineering and digital transformation, and given more than $100 million plus of hard savings to the corporates, and work with global, hundreds of global MNCs out there. And at the age of 34, when I was the youngest vice president in a global MNC, I lost my job. I lost my job because there was no enough, uh, you know, uh, that was a financial crisis going on in the industry at that point in time, and the company couldn't survive. And the company had to do the cost cutting. And because I was the highest paying person, they had to cut that salary off. And when I lost my job in a flash of a second, I was actually thinking, are the jobs safe? Are the jobs safe? And when I see a lot of people losing jobs today, or maybe taking a salary cuts, it really hurts me a lot. And that is where I thought at that point in time that let me create, some passive income for myself, so that I don't have to be bothered about job. Even if I have it or not have it, does not matter. But what if I have a passive income? What if I have a royalty based income? Because I've been reading the concepts of Rich Dad Poor Dad from Robert T Kiyosaki and lot many other people. But you know what, the challenge which I faced, that I had no mentor. I had nobody with me to tell me how to take step by step process. And I hate this, statement which people say, that a thirsty should come to the well. एक प्यासा कुएं के पास आता है, ये this statement I just hate it. The reason why I hate about that, into that is, it's not about that, the person has to come to the well and to drink water. The person has to take action to reach to that. That point is fine. But the problem in this complex human mind is that we do not know whether we need water, or we need a cold drink, or we need a food, because there are so many things which you need. And this job is actually of a mentor. We cannot transform 1 billion lives without mentor telling them that, look, this is what you need. Look, this is where I can help you. This is where your problem is. This is the solution for it. And that solution has to be so clear in their mind that they'll be able to find out the problem. They'll be able to understand and visualize the problem. This is where I was struggling with. I lost 7 businesses in last 7 years. Just to figuring out what are the right steps, what are the step-by-step process. Today, when I talk to my daughter, she tells me, I'm not able to understand anything. I'm not able to read, learn anything. And then when I look back, and when we try to kind of sometimes shout because of our work as well, our pressures, and then because of my journey, then I kind of hold myself and I ask the question, does she know the steps to learn? Does she know how to manage it well? And that's where we break that down into the steps, make it so easier for her to understand. And this is what a mentor job is to be. Mentor's job is not to, just overload with information. This is what the biggest mistake which all of our experts does. They create so big programs, so heavy duty programs, that the person gets confused and they get actually demotivated that I cannot learn. So you have to break it down into steps. And that is what it is very, very, very important. And graduate your learner from one step to second step to third step to fourth step. Otherwise, you will not be able to reach to them. So this is how my journey started. And when I worked out and when I got this expertise, we realized that I think if I want to transform these so many lives, I will need at least an army of mentors with me. I alone cannot do it. And it has to be there within their own subject matter expertise. There are so many micro niches. There are so many super, core competencies, thousands of them. And that is where we started this concept of Top 100 Mentors Club. And now we are working with Restart Your Career. We are merging these two areas to bring in, to leverage this entire initiative to a larger population and find out those experts, those 100,000 experts with whom we can work, with whom we can work or help them to reach out to their core competence or their own target audience, so that they can help them. And for that, we are building up a platform, a complete blended learning platform at bringalacademy.com, and ensuring that you should not be spending too much of money. Of course, there will be some initial learning curve, there will be initial time you need to spend, but once it is spent, done, you will be able to connect with your audience so much, even in an online learning modes, even in an online webinars. People will respect you a lot. You will be able to leave back the legacy. You will be able to leave back the legacy of your pearls of wisdom, your knowledge. You will be able to leave the legacy of money, the royalty income for your children, for your future generations. This is what the whole initiative is all about. And now I just want to visualize, give you some ideas about visualize your life. How would it, if you, let's assume for a moment at this point in time, what will you do if you have enough time to spend time with your family and you don't have to go every day for your job because you are having a fear in your mind that you will lose your job if you don't go? You want to do a job, please do a job, no problems at all, because you have to do something day-to-day work to keep yourself occupied. But if you have enough time, would you like to do that job? Would you like to travel all across the world? Would you like to spend time with your family watching probably just Netflix or Amazon? You don't want to do anything. You want to just travel all across the globe. What do you want to do? Type it out in the chat comment section. What do you want to do? If you have 1 year of your life where you don't have to bother about money coming in, or don't have to go to the job to earn money, what will you do? What will you do with that time? And you have enough money to sustain for all those expenses which you will be doing if you're traveling, if you're having enjoying your life or being with your family, whatever it is, whatever you want to do. And still people are loving you for your knowledge sharing. And even if you're wherever, whichever part of the world, you can still are connected with your people, with your learners. How would it feel to you? Think about it and put it into the chat window. And or if you're watching it on an automated mode, then please write it down on your book. Write down on your book, what is that dream you are looking at? How would it feel? What would you do with that extra money? How would you feel when people come to you and tells you that, you know what, you have changed my life? Because of you, I am there, because you were there. Otherwise, I was not knowing. Thanks for reaching out to me and pushing me to join your course. And you were there to handhold me. How would it feel to you? I feel very good. I feel so energetic when my community, transformationist community, they work so hard and they get those results. They get those testimonials from their students, and how they feel that, okay, you know what, Ansha, because of you, I could have been able to do this. And I would like to share one thing with you. What is the difference of value proposition? Why value proposition is so important for you to create? And what that is the first step which we do with them. So there are three major things which you need to do for any business. The first is create your value proposition, which is so unique to your narrow target audience. The second thing, you need to have the right promotional strategy and eventually doing a full marketing aspect. The third, you should have the systems and the processes to be set up so that you can scale up that model to a very enlarged model. And with this, I would like to share with you a simple video, a small video, which what Sandhya has to speak about a value proposition, why it is that so important for her or for anybody for that matter. So you'll be getting that video link on the comment section. And Simran, if you can just play that out video, if it is possible. Okay, till the time Simran is going through, I'll just tell you something more about that. Okay. We are going to come, we have been running this initiative of 5 days live trainings for a very, very long time now, almost 2 years now. Now, we have worked with 24,000 plus experts who are spread across 50 plus countries. And what we have realized is that one of the biggest challenges, 80% of the people feels that, okay, so the video is coming and I'll talk about it a little later.
So much, Ansha, and thank you, Sharvila, Simran, for walking me through this entire procedure. And the process was interesting. In fact, an initiative also when it starts, the ideation, so why, right? And most of the people keep talking about the purpose and why you have to always come back to your why, because sometimes what happens, at least that's for me, I can't say for the rest, but when we were constantly working on a project, there are times that we somewhere because we're so much in the rigmarole of revenue, profits, and then of course COVID right now. So there are times that the why is lost. Okay, and I think this was a great thing for me to do while I was working on my why. I was very clear that the purpose is very clear. I'm sure that the steps that I've taken are also pretty much clear, and I have clarity. So for me, the whole process was coming back and starting from scratch again to work on it and see if I'm on the right path. So I think thanks to you, Ansha, for the right questions that were framed. I loved all the assignments, and I really loved writing each of them, because every time I wrote an answer, there was more clarity. So that's something that I look forward to. And in fact, I think that for the fact that I have started for me, the why was more important, and for me to pass on that why to my coaches who are getting empaneled with my brand, it was more important for me to have that goal setting very clear as if what is it that the society needs and what is it that we're giving to the masses. So I guess that was a brilliant exercise, especially the last assignment was interesting for me. So thanks for that, and I'm looking forward to the platinum membership and the courses rolling on it.
Great. Thank you so much, Sandhya. And would you okay? So, Simran, so this is what what we had been working upon and on the value proposition. And I'll just talk about a little bit on the value proposition. Why value proposition is so important? Simran, you can take this off screen off. Thank you so much. Now, the main importance aspect of value proposition. This is actually coming in from a golden circle concept of Simon Sinek. Now, see, first of all, if we want to reach out to the people in masses, you need to find out your core competence. You need to find out your micro niche and the people with whom you can really relate with. The people who can relate with you. See, the best customer of yours is going to be exactly like you. The people who will connect with you the most, who are exactly like you. Now, when I say exactly like you, is not does not mean the physical appearance and thing, but it's just the thought process. It's just their situations, it's their requirements, because you have uncovered that problem, or solved that problem for yourself, and now you are finding that problem for many others. Once you identify which problem you are so great at solving it, like I found out that I'm very good in solving digitization problems, solving the problem of monetization or scaling up for the experts. That is where I work with. Now that is where you need to find it out, which is your core competence into it, and who are the people who can get benefited with that, who are the people who can connect with you better. Your why has to be very strong. See, tomorrow if there is a challenge in my working, during the work, I will leave it if I don't have a strong value proposition, if I don't have a strong mission. And that is where it is very important for you to define your why. Then the second concept comes in: how do you do it? How do you solve that problem? So the first aspect is your why, which is your problem. The second aspect is your how, which is your solution, how you can solve that problem. So I want to transform 1 billion lives, but how do I solve that problem? By having mentors helping me to do the same. And then what is that we do? We actually work with mentors to help them on their sales and marketing, on their technology problems, on their product development, all of that put together at single platform. This is what we do at top100mentorsclub.com. I mean, Top 100 Mentors Club. So remember this, okay? So this is where you need to create a strong value proposition. This is very, very important. And this needs 3 days of extensive exercise. The 4th day, which we will be working out in this entire model of 5 days digital programs kickstart challenge, which we are starting up as a Diwali Dhamaka offer right now. This is going to be it's actually worth 11,100 rupees and around $156. But we want to make it so massively reachable to people that we have to make it affordable. And we are going to talk about that at the end of the session, what is the special offer, Diwali Dhamaka offer we are launching it for all of you, and why we are working with Restart Your Career and how it is going to go in masses. Now, point what I'm trying to say is that once you have a value proposition available with you, the second aspect which you need to do is your products are ready. Now you know your target audience, you know your core competence, you know your products which you are going to launch. The another aspect which you need to find out is how are you going to reach out to people. As I said, thirsty doesn't come to the well. We have to take well to the thirsty now. Or in fact, we have to reach out to the thirsty and tell them first, you are thirsty or you are hungry. You need this. I will give it to you. You come to me. So therefore that you have to reach out to people. See, it is not sales. It is about reaching out to people to tell them that you need me. I can help you. And that is where your second set of activities are coming in. So you have to position yourself as an expert so that people who are hungry, people who are thirsty in your particular area, they can reach out to you. And once they reach out to you, you tell them that, okay, these are the 5 steps I will help you out. But let's start with the first step. Let's start with a very small aspect. Let me see whether I can help you out. You also check it out and explore whether I can help you out. They may not need the entire program of yours. So you have to create a small set of programs. Once that happens, the person comes to you, you work with them, you transform their, bring a transformation in them in their own problem area. Once you identify the right set of people, then only the matter of technology and other things comes in. Till that time, you can anyways use the free video conferencing solutions available. You can use Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. There are so many free solutions available. Use them. Don't have to spend money anywhere. Use social media to talk about it. Share your knowledge. Run those webinars. Write blogs. Create YouTube channels. Put in information there. And remember, it's not about the quality, it's just about consistency. The content is more important. The context is more important rather than just the quality of the video. Importance is passing on the pulse of wisdom of yours. Transforming somebody's life, making them connect that, okay, the problem which they have, I can solve it for you. That is the purpose. Once you reach to a certain level, once you know that you have people are liking your solution, then you think about scaling it up and taking it to a mass level. Till that time, you can even collaborate with people. Work on revenue sharing. It's perfectly fine. There are various platforms. We at Bringle Academy also provide you a platform on revenue sharing. Otherwise, you will have to spend 4 to 5 lakh rupees per annum just on the platform. And if you want to do that on a revenue on the digital marketing, you have to spend that amount also, maybe around 10 to 25,000 rupees a month, probably more. And people are not getting responses. So initially, use that platforms, the free platforms for you, till the time you reach to a level where you have a scalable model or a profitable model. People are liking it. So this is what we will do it, and this is what you will be able to scale up your businesses. So there are 5 steps we are going to talk about in our 5 days program. It is going to be a 5 hours massive live training program, wherein one, we will be identifying your core competence, finding out your micro niche. Second, we'll be doing your narrowing down your target audience. Third, we'll be developing a product, a small level product or a very one level above product, so that you can have a basic connect from the customer and do some customer graduation out there, from one level to the second level. The fourth, we will be working out on the promotional strategies, full marketing concept, and little bit on the sales part of it. That if somebody comes in, how do you handle their objections? Because people will have objections on that. How do you close the sale? There'll be a bit of a sales aspect. We'll be covering it over there. The fifth day, we will be talking about how can you use various different free platforms, how you can leverage Bringle platform for your own benefits, and how you can grow your business still onto that. So this is what all of that we'll be going to talk about in this 5 days program. And whoever wants this special offer right now, and we are going to come up with a very, very special offer. And I'm just trying to, before even going to the offer, let me share you another video about the platform. We feel that the technology is very bit difficult, okay? And the whole aspect of Bringle Academy platform is that we are trying to make it simpler. And this is what our one of our mentor has to say, that what is, how the platform is there, why is this platform so good, and what is the kind of support Bringle Academy provides, and what is the benefit on that. So Simran, could you put in on the screen about what Bruhad has to say about us? Okay, so while she's doing it, okay, she's already put in. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Ansha, for the lovely introduction. And the experience is, has been fantastic. There's no doubt about it. Especially the support team. See, I have lived life with LMSs. All right, throughout my life, I've dealt with LMSs, and I'm in and out of these LMSs. But it's a very nice, beautifully crafted platform that you guys have. Very easy to use, and once you get used to it, it takes 15-20 minutes to get used to it. And even if you're not an LMS freak, it'll take you 40-45 minutes at the max. And then you have Simran in the background, who's like on her feet almost every single minute. And I really pity her sometimes, that she has to bear the brunt of my things that I keep coming up with, and questions that I keep coming up with. But the beautiful thing about this platform is it's an all-in-one integrated platform. And because it's an all-in-one integrated platform, it becomes very easy for any program to be launched. If you have the content, I think then you can leave the rest to Bringle, because the platform itself will take care of everything. All you need is content. And of course, any platform provider will never give you content. All right, if they give you content, they will charge you a premium. So that's the beautiful thing about this. I've had a fantastic experience with Bringle, there's no doubt about it. And I look forward to the Designpreneur program as well, because the thinking is on a completely different level. And I really look forward to leveraging the platform to as much level as possible. We will probably take it to the T, and let's see how it goes.
Thank you so much, Simran. And see, this is what the platform, integrated platform, is all about, and which is very, very important from the perspective of using the technology. See, we are working really hard at the back end to make it simpler and easy to use. We have a support team available which helps you out to do that. Anyways, that's the second step of it. You don't have to be bothered about it. Right now, it's only about kicking off your programs, putting your programs on the platform, or any platform where you want to be there. So you'll have an option to bring it on the platform, but that is not mandatory out there. What we want to do in this 5 days kickstart program, digital program kickstart challenge, is what we are going to help you out in terms of launching your programs, promoting your programs, and eventually using the freewares or free platforms to start moving. Once you understand the concept, you'll be definitely be able to look at of various different programs. So that is the whole intention out there. We are not trying to sell our platform out here. We are only here to support you to start creating your own revenue model. And that is what our own whole intention out here is. So with this, I would like to talk about that if you remember, I told you in the early start that this program is worth 11,100 rupees and $156. But only on this time, because of the Diwali Dhamaka, and we want to reach out to the masses, we want to make it more and more affordable. So I would like to request Sharmila to talk about it. That Sharmila, what is that special offer we are launching because of Restart Your Career and Vardhan Association out here, and why we are doing such kind of a cost reduction, because we've been selling it in a much higher price. So why do you think that it is, how it is going to benefit more and more people around this?
The why I will answer. Just a minute. I'm having a problem with my internet, but I'll continue talking right now. I may get logged off. The why I will answer. The why is to reach the maximum number of people with an affordable cost. Because of uh, this particular festive season, we have thought of putting a small cost to our program and telling people that look, please take advantage of this cost vis-a-vis the uh, uh, entire lot.
Right, right. So I think what I would say is that it is going to be a very low. So I think we have Sharmila has just got logged off due to internet issues. So I'll just take it over. So what I'm trying to say is that this entire thing has to be more and more affordable, and it has to be reach out to the masses. So that is why we are trying to create a more live sessions now. We want to do more and more live sessions, and we have reduced the prices to as low as 1% of this entire course. And this is only for a limited period of time for the action takers for this week. The prices will change probably next week, and especially after Diwali, the rates will prices will change. But whoever are the people who are going to do that, they'll be getting the section. They'll be able to make it the. Just a moment. Okay, sorry. So there was some Sharmila is coming back, so there was some internet issues. But anyways, so we are going to make it the changes. So it's the prices I'm going to declare now. It's going to be only 111. Yes, you have heard it right. It's only 111 rupees. Now this price is going to be there only for a limited period of time and only for the limited seats. It's not going, once we complete those seats, we will not be taking that prices. The link will be dropped into the comment section in the live section, as well as who are there watching in the Zoom right now with us, and it will also be sent to your emails if you're registering for this automated webinar. So please remember this, that you are going to get this benefit only for a limited period of time. Forward this option to anybody, whoever would like to take a part in this. Once you pay to that, you will become to our, you'll come to our WhatsApp community where will you tell you the further steps, how we can take it up. And we are starting our first program from 16th November. So till then, this prices would be something like this, and this we will be continuing this exercise, this 5 days Kickstarter challenge. But this every time there will be some changes into the prices. Now you may say that why not free? If you want to really transform people, then why not free? Why are you even charging this 111? So Sharmila, I would like you to answer this point because you're back now. And why not free?
The value for free becomes zero if I am not paying for the cost of the program. Even a nominal cost like 111 will keep me in to learn the session, to learn what I am going to need. If it's zero, I would probably not be interested. I may skip a few sessions.
Yeah, so I
Because,
think
well, I have paid for it. So our attitude towards learning or towards usage changes if I pay even 1 rupee for that particular session. It matters.
Makes sense, Sharmila, and I think this is very right, and I can see it from my own experience. See, many of us keeps going to free webinars and free sessions, but how many of us actually learn from it? How many of us we actually attend those webinars and then make our notes and implement that back into our life? Yeah, you want to add something?
Do you remember how many free webinars you have attended?
I probably don't. There must be,
Huh?
I would have
I mean,
registered to many, but don't even know how many I've
frankly,
attended.
frankly, do you remember any? And what did you learn?
So yes, I did attended the few free ones, but then yes, you are right, because we are not attentive. Because we have not paid, we will not be serious about it. We probably even miss those sessions because we have just registered for it.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely. So I definitely agree to that point, and thank you so much, Sharmila, for bringing that point. And the reason why we have kept this amount is only to make people serious. We actually initially wanted to keep it free for the 5 day session, but then we thought, why free? Why should be free? And that is where we came up with the concept of that there is no free lunch. We want serious people into this. We want people who are serious about contributing towards society. We want people who are serious about generating passive income. Want people who are serious about making their fortune in e-learning business. E-learning business is going to be a $398 billion industry by 2026 as per Forbes. Believe it or not, it's going to happen. If you are not taking an action now, you are going to lose everything. It is going to, somebody else is anyways making money. You would have seen already a lot of people coming on online, including the veterans, entrepreneurs, veteran investors. Everybody is launching their programs. It's a huge industry. It's not just about an industry, from a money perspective, but it's also about how many people you can reach out, how many people you can change it, how many people you can make sure have that work things. That is where
Actually,
you need to make sure.
Anchal, when $398 billion was something somewhere in December last year, and with the pandemic going on, I think that $398 is going to be reached earlier than 2026.
Absolutely. That is absolutely right. And this is where it is going to be there for the one. The numbers are, actually increasing very, very fast. And that is why if you see that Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere it's filled with programs, different kind of program. And the beauty of this is that you don't have to be, anybody has to worry about it, because everybody is going to have a market. But you need to find out your core competence, that blue ocean strategy, blue ocean, where there is no competition. And believe me, there will be no competition out there. There will be no competition. So more fine tune your micro niches, your programs, is more people are able to connect, they are getting benefited around it. That's what you should be looking at it, and that is where you are going to get benefited. And please go and watch this session, and go to it and sign up now as soon as possible, and looking forward to see you into the top 100 mentors club community very soon. We'll be working with you, we'll be starting very soon, we'll be guiding you on the process. And with that note, I would like to thank each of you for listening to us till the end, and looking forward to see you all. And keep bringing, keep growing.
Thank you. Anchal, you're a host.